Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Global stocks and oil prices moved higher as investors gave a cautious welcome to news of a US debt ceiling agreement that could avert a catastrophic US debt default. The Russian government is no longer planning to launch a regulated national cryptocurrency exchange, but rather wants to regulate multiple crypto trading platforms. After introducing a plan to create a national crypto exchange in November 2022, Russian lawmakers have abandoned the idea. Ford and Tesla have been rivals for years in the electric vehicle market, but a new agreement may change their relationship status. Ford said that its EV customers would be able to get access to 12,000 Tesla superchargers across the US and Canada by spring of next year.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US consumer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices at 1300 hours GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 0900 hours GMT. Spain's retail sales will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's industrial production at 2350 GMT. Japan's large retailer sales at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.